Welcome to the Virtual Tutor Series on Core Mathematics for Senior High Schools. In this lesson, we focus on solution to past SSSCE and WASSCE questions on algebraic expressions. You may find it quite difficult to appreciate this lesson with little or no knowledge in algebraic expressions. I therefore recommend that you first watch our video lessons on algebraic expressions to gain a better foundation on the topic before watching this video. Having said that, let's have a look at some of the past questions. We begin with objective question 7 of SSSCE 1994. The question says, simplify 4 minus x squared all over 2x minus x squared, where x is not equal to 2. Now, here is the solution. We have the expression 4 minus x squared all over 2x minus x squared. The square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, 4 can be expressed as 2 squared. So we can rewrite the expression as 2 squared minus x squared all over 2x minus x squared. Two squared minus x squared is a difference of two squares and can be factorized as 2 minus x times 2 plus x. The common factor of 2x minus x squared is x. So we can factor x out to have x into bracket 2 minus x, bracket closed. Now, let's cancel the common factors out. So, 2 minus x gets rid of 2 minus x, leaving 2 plus x all over x. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Next is objective question number 8 of SSSCE 1997. Simplify a squared minus 4b squared all over a squared plus 4ab plus 4b squared. Solution. Here is the question. Four can be expressed as 2 squared, so the numerator can be rewritten as a squared minus 2b all squared. The denominator is a quadratic trinomial with 2 variables. To factorize an expression of this nature, we need to first find 2 factors of the product of the coefficient of a squared and the coefficient of b squared, which will sum up to the coefficient of ab. The product of 1 and 4 is 4, and 2 factors of 4, which will sum up to the coefficient of AB, or 4, are 2 and 2. Therefore, the factors of the denominator are a plus 2b times a plus 2b. Now, the numerator is a difference of two squares and can be factorized as a minus 2b times a plus 2b all over a plus 2b times a plus 2b. Let's now get rid of the common factors. So a plus 2b gets rid of a plus 2b, leaving a minus 2b all over a plus 2b. Hence, the correct answer is option D. SSSCE 1998. Objective question 10. A function f is given by f of x maps to x over 2x minus 1. For what value of x is f undefined? Solution: x over 2x minus 1 is undefined if the denominator, or 2x minus 1, is equal to 0. Adding 1 to both sides of the equation, we have 2x is equal to 1. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we have x is equal to 1 over 2. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. SSSCE year 2000. Objective question 5. Factorize the expression 9x squared tx squared minus 1. Solution: we are to factorize 9x squared tx squared minus 1. The square root of 9 is 3. So the expression can be rewritten as 3xt all square minus 1. This is a difference of two squares and can be factorized as 3xt minus 1 times 3xt plus 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. SSSCE 2001. Objective question 26. Simplify 1 over 3 plus k over 3 plus k squared over 12. Solution: we have the expression 1 over 3 plus k over 3 plus k squared over 12. Let's first find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3, and 12 is 12. We now express all fractions in terms of the LCM. 3 into 12 is 4, and 4 times 1 is 4. Again, 3 into 12 is 4, and 4 times k is 4k. Finally, 12 into 12 is 1, and 1 times k square is k square. Now, the numerator is a perfect square, and the factorized form is into bracket k plus 2 all square all over 12. Thus, the correct answer is option D. SSSCE 2001, question 32, objective. Factorize completely 9x squared y minus 25yz squared. Solution. We have the expression 9x squared y minus 25yz squared. Let's first factor y out to have y into bracket 9x squared minus 25z squared, bracket closed. 9 can be expressed as 3 squared, and 25 can be expressed as 5 squared. So we can rewrite the expression as y into bracket 3x all squared minus 5z all squared. Now, this is a difference of two squares and can be factorized as y times 3x minus 5z times 3x plus 5z. Hence, the correct answer is option D. Objective question 25 of SSCE 2001, NOVDEC. Factorize a square minus into bracket a minus b, bracket closed, all square. Solution. We are given the expression a square minus a minus b all square. This is a difference of two squares and can be factorized as big bracket opens a minus into bracket a minus b, bracket closed, and big bracket closed, times big bracket opens a plus into bracket a minus b, bracket closed, and big bracket closed. Negative times positive is negative, and negative times negative is positive. So the first group expands into a minus a plus b, and the second group expands into a plus a minus b. Now, a gets rid of negative a, and a plus a is 2a. So we have b into bracket 2a minus b, bracket closed. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. SSSCE 2003. Objective question 36. Write 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 as a single fraction. Solution. We have 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 over x minus 1. The LCM of the denominators is the difference of two squares, x squared minus 1. Now, let's express all fractions in terms of the LCM. X plus 1 into x squared minus 1 is x minus 1. So we have 3 into bracket x minus 1, bracket closed. Again, x minus 1 into x squared minus 1 is x plus 1, giving us minus 2 into bracket x plus 1, bracket closed. Expanding brackets, we have 3 times x to be 3x and 3 times negative 1 to be negative 3. So the first group expands into 3x minus 3. Also, negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So the second group expands into minus 2x minus 2 all over x squared minus 1. Let's now simplify the numerators by adding or subtracting like terms. We have 3x minus 2x to be x, and negative 3 minus 2 to be negative 5. So the final expression is x minus 5 all over x squared minus 1, making option D the correct answer. SSSCE 2004, Objective Question 24. For what value of x is y not defined in the relation y is equal to 2x minus 5 all over 3x plus 2? Solution. The expression 2x minus 5 all over 3x plus 2 is not defined if the denominator, or 3x plus 2, is equal to 0. Subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation, we have 3x is equal to negative 2. Now, let's solve for x by dividing both sides of the equation by 3. This produces x is equal to negative 2 over 3. Hence, the correct answer is option D. SSSCE 2004, Novdek, Objective Question 28. Factorize x into bracket x minus 2, bracket closed, minus 3xy plus 6y. Solution. We are given the expression x into bracket x minus 2 bracket closed minus 3xy plus 6y. The first part of the expression is factorized already. So let's put the last two terms in bracket and factorize that as well. We have x into bracket x minus 2 bracket closed here. The common factor of negative 3xy and 6y is negative 3y. So the last two terms factorize as minus 3y into bracket x minus 2 bracket closed. Therefore, we have x minus 2 as against x minus 3y. Hence, the correct answer is option A. SSSCE 2005 NOVDEC Objective Question 26. Factorize 21x squared minus 4x minus 1. Solution. We have the quadratic expression 21x squared minus 4x minus 1. The product of the coefficient of x squared and the constant term is 21 times negative 1, which is negative 21. And two factors of negative 21, which sum up to negative 4, are negative 7 and 3. Therefore, we put negative 7x and 3x in place of negative 4x. So the expression now becomes 21x squared minus 7x plus 3x minus 1. Now, let's put the first two and last two terms in brackets and factorize each group separately. The common factor of 21x squared and negative 7x is 7x. So the first group factorizes into 7x into bracket 3x minus 1 bracket closed. Again, the common factor of 3x minus 1 is 1. So the second group factorizes into 1 into bracket 3x minus 1 bracket closed. At this point, we put the factors in bracket and set it against the common terms in the bracket. So we have into bracket 7x plus 1 bracket closed as against into bracket 3x minus 1 bracket closed. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. WASSCE 2006 Objective Question 18. For odd value or values of y is 1 over y plus 1 over y minus 1 undefined. Solution. The algebraic fraction 1 over y plus 1 over y minus 1 is undefined if the product of the denominators y into bracket y minus 1 bracket closed is equal to 0. If the product of two numbers is 0, it implies that either of them can be 0. So either y is equal to 0 or y minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that y is equal to 1. Hence, the values of y for which the given algebraic fraction is undefined are 0 and 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Well done. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Stay tuned for the continuation of the solution to past SSSCE and WASSCE questions on algebraic expressions in our next episode. Kindly like and share this video and also subscribe to the TVTL's YouTube channel in order to receive notification on future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video lessons.